CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.5 Given a scenario, use the appropriate Microsoft command line tools. Whoami? The whoami command is a simple yet powerful tool used to display the username of the currently logged-in account. This command helps you quickly identify who is actively using the system, which is especially important when managing permissions or troubleshooting access issues. Imagine you're working in a shared office where multiple people use the same computer. Each person logs in with their own account, which determines what they can access and what actions they can perform. The whoami command acts like a quick ID check, telling you exactly which user account is currently active. To use the whoami command to display the current user, you simply type whoami in the command prompt and press enter. In this example, desktop-1234 \administrator is the current user. The first part, desktop-1234, represents the name of the local computer, while administrator is the username. The whoami command is used to quickly identify the currently logged-in user. It displays both the computer or domain name and the username, helping you understand who is actively using the system. This is especially useful when troubleshooting permissions, verifying access, or confirming whether you are logged in with the correct account. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.